Welcome to Beatbox Training. We are going to go through the 3 basic sounds. Go from slow to fast. See if you can keep up. Let's start at 100 BPM for the hi-hats. Again. Good job! Now let's speed it up to 130 BPM. Oh, not bad, not bad. Very good. Now let's try 160 BPM. Ready? Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. You need to work on that, okay? Let's keep practicing. Let's go to the kick drums, 100 BPM. Again. Alright, not too bad. You need to work on that power, alright? Let's get it super powerful. 130 BPM. Let's go. Again. Oh, okay. A bit hard. That's alright. Let's go to level 3, 160. Just try your best. Do your best. Let's go. Ooh, well done, well done. That was a good try, right? Just keep working on those kicks so you can do them super fast. Now we go back to the snares. Simple and easy with the K. Again. Not bad. The case at the end, yeah, that's a bit tricky, but you did well. Let's keep going. 130 BPM. That was a little tough, wasn't it? I don't usually practice the case. I should practice that more. Let's practice together. Level 3, 160 BPM. Again. Well done. Whoa. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Good job for pushing through. Maybe you didn't get all of it right, all of it clean, but that's okay. That's why this is training. That's why you work hard. You get those sounds strong and clean and powerful. I'll see you in the next one.